You want to know how your traveler's notebooks will become after you use them for 1 year? This is my traveler's notebook that I bought last year. I bought it on September 2024, and this is the appearance of my traveler's notebook in September 2025. Look at how shiny it is. Enjoy the tactile experience. Although there are already some scratches, but the scratches make your traveler's notebooks unique. It's unique because you made it like that. For those who are confused which planner that you want to use for next year, 2026, consider this. This traveler's notebook is very cool. So the color of this traveler's notebook cover is olive color, but I don't know why it becomes more brown color, but I like it very much. When I combine the color with this elastic, this is yellow elastic, it seems that it matches very well. You can customize your traveler's notebook with any color that you want to combine. It seems that yellow color or even red probably match with this leather color. Now in Japan is a Teijo Kaigi season. Now I will do Teijo Kaigi again. So in the last video I used this insert. I've been using various insert from Traveler's Company, insert from third party, insert that I created myself. And this is the original insert, the lightweight paper from Traveler's Company. I bought it on Traveler's Factory because it's close to my office. And why I finished this quickly? Because recently I just wanted to draw a lot. At the end of this traveler's notebook insert, I draw things that I want to draw. I draw things, some characters of anime that I liked when I was a kid. It turned out the paper is really good for drawing illustration. It is good for drawing with fountain pen. It is good when drawing with ballpoints. Even it's good when drawing with pencils. Do you know this character? The last character that I drew in this insert is the Create. It's one of the characters that can make your imagination turn into reality. The appearance looks like a traveler's notebook. I like it very much. Alright, so because I already finished this traveler's notebook insert lightweight paper, I'm thinking to have another traveler's notebook insert lightweight paper. So that's why I visited Traveler's Factory. I bought some things from Traveler's Factory. Look at this. This is a new postcard that I bought from Traveler's Notebook Factory, or we can say Traveler's Factory. And when I went there, it was insane. I mean, we have to make lines before entering the shop because the shop is very small. But when you visit the store or the shop, you will feel the experience. You will be surrounded by many Traveler's Notebooks products. You'll be very happy. I recommend you to visit the shop when you visit Japan. Alright, so I already bought this Traveler's Notebook insert, the lightweight paper, and I have this postcard, and I'm going to paste it here. It's the same like this. And I think I'm going to use this for my illustration insert. Alright. Now let's open this Traveler's Notebook. This is the monthly calendar or the monthly insert for this year. I will use it until the end of this year. And also the last insert, this is my weekly insert. I've been using this for writing my gratitude, my task, and memo. I think I already explained this a lot on my past videos. You can check them all. And because I already finished my lightweight paper insert, I then used the insert that I bought from the third party. This is also a blank insert, and I use it for writing my brain dump and also some illustrations. And recently, because I also did with my traveler's notebook insert, I did many drawings and illustration. So I also drew a lot in this traveler's notebook insert from third party. Suddenly, I just want to draw a lot. I don't know why. I recently started to watch One Piece. So that's why I'm in the One Piece season. I'm in the One Piece mood these days. I drew some characters from One Piece. This is my favorite pages. Look at this. Oh, this guy is very cool. So I need to mention this. I want to have One Piece theme in my life. So probably I will consider to buy the Hobonichi planner. The Hobonichi planner that has the One Piece theme on it. Anyway, my point is, I finished this traveler's notebook insert from the third party because I drew a lot of One Piece characters on it. Alright, that is why I'm gonna take this off from this traveler's notebook, and I'm going to add another insert to replace this. The candidate for the next insert, either this lightweight paper insert or the grid insert from the third party. This is quite thin as well. I'm not sure. But for now, I think I'm going to add this. Very good. Alright, so this is about my current traveler's notebook. And I've been actively using it. That's why it makes the leather looks like this. I recommend you to use this every day in order to make this look. Alright, continuing the discussion or the kaigi from the past video. And also I visited the Traveler's Factory. So I need to tell you about things that I purchased from Traveler's Factory. So in the past video, I said to you that I'm going to use things that I have. But visiting Traveler's Factory is a very dangerous action. You're gonna buy new things definitely. And that's what I did. I'm gonna introduce you the things that I purchased from Traveler's Factory. Do you know why they make us buying from the Traveler's Factory? Because they look so good. Everything looks good. Anyway, let's just introduce you the new things that I purchased from the Traveler's Factory. These are the things that I bought from Traveler's Factory. So it's been a while I didn't go to the Traveler's Factory. That makes me decide to buy things this time. I bought 2 inserts and look at the colors. I bought this edition. This is a limited edition. In Japanese it's a gente. And also I bought this, a stamp note, Keibunsha. I don't particularly do the stamp collection, but whenever I see stamps, I want to stamp it on my insert. I think it's also good to have a stamp note, although probably I will just use it for my illustration or for my daily journal. It's fine. You can do it whatever you like. Alright, so why I bought these 2 things? Because look at the colors. Oh my god, this is really good. I think I'm so weak with the temptation for this kind of color. I know there are many things that are available on the Traveler's Factory. There are various kinds of limited editions inserts there. There are many colors you can choose, from the cream paper color or from the mature brown or dark blue or anything, but I'm so fond of these colors. This is very good. All right, so I added 2 more inserts into my stash, so that's why I still have this. This is for next year, 2026. This coffee journey insert is going to be my main insert for 2026, and I still have 2 inserts, this one and this one, for my brain dump, but I'm pretty sure that I will use them, these 2, within this year, because nowadays I draw a lot and I write a lot as well. So let's just forget these 2 inserts because I'm going to finish 2 of them this year, I'm very sure. So that is why this 3 insert will be my next insert for 2026. I don't need to buy the 2026 collection, the monthly planner, the weekly planner. I'm not going to buy them. I'll just use this because this is very good. Well, in this video I'm not going to set up my 2026 traveler's notebook, but I'm sure I'm going to use these inserts inside my traveler's notebook setup 2026. But let's see what's inside. So as a tradition, when you buy a traveler's notebook insert in Traveler's Factory, you're gonna put many stamps on it, right? And I did that. Look at this. Oh my god, this is very good. Look at the color. Oh my god. The color combination is so good. This is a bright color, bright red color with gold on it. Oh, you will love it. Oh, you have extras. These are illustration or greeting card as a bonus. Look, I stamps 3 stamps on it. Cool. So it's a blank insert. It's also very good for illustration. And at the end of the insert, we also have extras greeting card. Oh my god, you will love it. You will love it, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so it's gonna be my next insert in 2026. I will use it with this and also with this. Oh, this is very exciting. Good. The last thing that I want to tell you about is about the way I will write my traveler's notebook. You see, I've been very systematically write everything. I have certain format: the highlight of the day, the gratitude, my task, and memo. And it is very systematic. I created this way. I use 4 columns. But I think for the next style, I think I'm going to go freestyle. I see some people in Japan, they write their insert in their traveler's notebook 1 page for 1 day, and it looks very cool. Previously, I tried that style, but it didn't go well. But I'm going to try it again, especially for 2026. I think I'm going to go that way. I'm not going to be very systematic like this, because I think being systematic make me consistent. So I've been using this format for about 1 year, and I'm very grateful because I was so consistent writing everything every day. So I think I'm going to change the way I write my daily journal. I'm going to just use 1 full page every day. And I will not decide any format of that. I'm not going to draw lines like this. This is just my current thoughts. I don't know if I will change again in the future, but I think that kind of writing style is very aesthetic, and I'm going to try that. Alright, that is all for this video. Thank you very much for your attention. My point is, if you want to buy traveler's notebook, just put it in your mind, if you use it every day, you're going to have the patina in 1 year. Alright, so thank you very much for your attention. This is the video that ends my first year using traveler's notebook. Actually, the anniversary of this traveler's notebook is next week, but I don't think I have time for recording my video next week. So instead of doing it next week, I do it today. So 1 week before the anniversary of traveler's notebook. Well, thank you very much for accompanying me in this traveler's notebook journey. Hopefully that you are also a traveler's notebook user and you enjoy your traveler's notebook. I'll see you on my 2nd year of using traveler's notebook. Thank you very much. Have a good day.